Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Resetting your Linear LD050 garage door opener is a simple task. You might need to do this if you lost a remote or just moved into a new home. First, find the Learn button on the back of the motor unit. It is usually near the wire antenna. To clear all previous codes, press and hold this Learn button for about 10 seconds. The light will blink or turn off to show the memory is empty. Now you can program new remotes. Press the Learn button once and let go. The indicator light will glow steadily. Within 30 seconds, press the button on your handheld remote. The garage door opener light will flash to confirm it worked. If you need to reset the travel limits, look for the black and white buttons on the unit. Press and hold the button for the direction you want to set. Use the arrows to move the door to the desired open or closed position. Press the Learn button again to save the setting. Repeat this for the opposite direction. Make sure the door stops exactly where it should. This ensures the safety sensors work correctly. Sometimes the system glitches and needs a full power cycle. Unplug the unit from the ceiling outlet for 1 minute. Plug it back in and try the steps again. Following these steps will keep your garage door working perfectly every single day. Your opener is now reset and ready for use with your new settings. You can now enjoy a secure and functional garage door system without any hassle or expensive professional help from a technician today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.